Hi guys, can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure.
I'm a photographer. Can I take some of your photos with the guitar? I can. It's for Instagram purpose.
What's your Instagram?
It's anilclickstm.
Anil.
Huh. It's anilclickstm. I'm newbie over here.
You're recording
To
this
his.
also?
Yeah, I'm just recording this. My name is Anil. What's your name?
Prajwal.
Prajwal. Okay. Hi Prajwal. Where are you from?
I'm from UP.
UP. Okay.
I'm
So
studying here.
okay. So according to you, what is famous in UP?
What is famous in UP?
Yeah. According to you,
Kachori,
kachori,
samosa,
samosa.
jalebi,
Okay, the food is famous over there.
chia, if you know
Gujia.
the one with fillings of dairy.
Okay, so that is famous according to you. So how long it?
Famous.
Okay. So how long it's been that you're in Bangalore?
I'm here for 3 years now.
It's been 3 years. So what do you do for a living?
For living, I play guitar.
You play guitar.
I don't have to make a living. I'm studying here.
Okay. What are you studying?
I'm studying machine learning.
Machine learning, mechanics, mechanical engineer or what?
Not it's machine learning is
Different from mechanical engineer. Right?
mechanics, yeah.
Okay, definitely. I didn't know about that.
Part
It's
of
okay.
it is in robotics, but yeah.
Okay. That's cool actually. Do you have a favorite actor?
I have a favorite actor.
Whom do you like the most? Actor or actress? Anyone?
I like Adityaroykapoor.
Adityaroykapoor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Like, Ashiki 2.
Ashiki to Malan.
You give me the vibes of Ashiki 2 only. So, why do you like Aditya Roy Kapoor?
I like his physique.
You like his physics.
His
Everyone like. Because,
his acting, his hairstyle, overall physique.
you
Awesome.
just like him.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I love the physique when, in Malang.
Okay.
In Malang and in Om also, I love his physique over there. And that's all fits the bill. He's tall, he's handsome, he's also very, punked. So, do you have any favorite actor, a song of yours?
Song of yours.
Uh,
Yeah, Fitur.
Fitur.
Aditya.
Yeah, Aditya Roy Fitur only. Katrina Kaif's movie also.
That's my favorite song on guitar also.
Okay, in that, which is your favorite Fitur song, right? Okay. Yeah. Just stand over there. I'll show you. Over here, bro. Just see yourself. If you want to adjust anything, you can adjust. I'll also do one video of yours. Just sing some song, okay? Fitur also you can sing.
I can sing my original.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, like you want to say some famous song?
No, it's okay. If it's your original, you can, go with that only. Yeah. Yeah, that was good. I've taken, one long video of yours, but I don't know how much I captured the audio. But this will be done very good, okay? I'm gonna put some lights. We'll do one slow motion video of yours, bro. Just walk towards me, okay? You can keep the guitar. That was very cool, bro. That was very cool. I mean, like in a paisa vasool thing. Adityaroykapoor, Ashiki 2 ka hero. Aya Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Any one review in your native language about this experience you want to say?
Hey, this was good. I always like to be like in front of camera.
Okay.
अच्छा लगा
हाँ.
because मैं हमेशा ही करता रहता हूँ अपने दोस्तों के साथ.
Okay.
So, it's I have a familiarity with this, so it's like I'm comfortable in camera, so not a like new thing to me. So
Okay.
yeah, always excited to be in camera.
Yes. Thank you for that, bro. I hope to see you again.